Green Farm. I'm so excited to show you our new Magic Castle die. It's so cute. Here's how it looks like all put together. So I thought it would be fun to make a quick video on how I assembled it, just so you can kind of see how my process was in putting this together. I started off by die cutting all the pieces out of glimmer cardstock and glitter cardstock. There's a lot of tiny pieces, so it's probably a good idea to keep it all in the same area so that it doesn't go missing. Next, I started gluing on the little glitter pieces for the towers, along with the little tower trims. So you're going to notice that one of the front towers is shorter than the other. So you're just going to have to measure appropriately and snip off the bottom excess. Now I'm going to take that panel with the window cut out, and I'm going to glue that trim on top of it, and also the little window frame. And then I'm going to put the foam tape behind it to give it a little dimension. Oops, I forgot the little trim on the back tower, so let's put that on. Oh, and here's a tip. If you have one of those tweezers to handle little die cut pieces and whatnot, it would be very useful right now. Now I'm sticking a whole bunch of little foam squares behind the towers so I can make them pop out a little more. Now let's work on the front panel. This part is going to be the part of the castle that sticks out the most. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the top trim on it, and then the door and the other part of the trim. Okay, that part's done. Now let's take those tiny little windows and that banner and put it on there. So at this point, I'm going to finish those two towers. I'm gonna put the last of the trims on, and then the banner and the windows. So I made a mistake on this part. I put a banner where it shouldn't be, on that smaller tower, and you're gonna see me switch it out with the window later. So I noticed my mistake and replaced the banner with the window. So there, all better. So now it's time to attach the front panel of the castle. So I'm going to put the foam scores on the back of this piece, and I'm going to double layer it so that it'll stick out further than the other pieces behind it. And now we're just going to align it and stick it on. And there you have it. Our castle is done. Isn't it so cute? I love it. I love it so much. Okay, so let's get our card base done. I'm just going to do a quick and simple one. Just regular 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cardstock, and then I cut out a 4 by 5 1/4 pattern cardstock to stick on top of it. I stamped the sentiment "Let's make magical memories" onto a little piece of vellum. The sentiment is from our Best Day Ever stamp set. And finally, I'm going to put some sticky tape on the back of the castle, and we're going to stick it right onto the card. Oops, I almost forgot. Let's put some flags on these towers. And there you have it, a cute and simple card with a glittery castle. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a great rest of the week. Bye.